Well, this is a kind of a long answer, I guess I would say. What inspired me, we have to kind of go back a little bit, just a few years. Like I said, I've been cooking for a long time, cooking at home, cooking for my friends and family. Never really thought of selling food professionally as a career until one day my cousin, Quincy Washington, I always give a lot of praise to him because honestly, he's the one who put me on this path of selling food professionally. He came to me one day, he said, "Cuz, I bought this barbecue grill, man, and I want to, start a barbecue business." And without even thinking about it, I was like, sure, let's do it. This was 2019 going into 2020. COVID hit. Everybody was trying to do something different, do something, new, get out of that hole that we had put ourselves in, people losing their jobs, people being stuck at home. When my cuz came to me with the barbecue idea, we started Smoke Boys Barbecue. So I give all praise to him, man. He really put me on this path. He had been doing it for a long time in Atlanta, came back up here to Milwaukee to take care of his pops, man, and that's how we did it. We started a Smoke Boys Barbecue, man, right out the kitchen. We were kind of lucky. Cuz had a duplex, empty upstairs. We turned the whole upstairs into a kitchen. So we got to slanging barbecue, man. Smoking meats, ribs, rib tips, salmon. We was doing all kind of stuff, making our own dry rubs and seasonings, hardwood, cherry wood, everything. So that's what inspired me to, start a food truck. We did Smoke Boys for a little while, man. Got a nice little following off of that, and that kind of blew up a little bit. We had to shut it down for a little while, and as time went on, I continued working my job. So we'll fast forward to, say, September of 2021. I've been working my job, been there for 15 years. Been there for 15 years. Went on vacation, man, came back, got fired from my job. I lost my job after being there for 15 years. Came home, man, and, I didn't know what I was going to do. I looked at my wife. She said, "Hey, what you going to do?" I took a couple days. I thought about it. And I said, "I'm going to start a food truck." I didn't have a name, I didn't have a concept, I didn't have an idea, I didn't have anything. I just knew it was something I wanted to do, been plotting, thinking of a way to start my own business, build something for the future. And when I lost my job, that just kind of happened to put me into that space of, okay, I really got to do something now. Doing Smoke Boys for when we did it, it kind of really gave me that inspiration. It gave me that confidence that I know I could do it, that I know I could be successful at it. So that's kind of what inspired me to start a food truck. It wasn't anything organic, I would say, anything that I really sat down and thought about for a long time. It was something that was kind of forced upon me to really think about what I really wanted to do after I lost my job. It was about starting a business. It was about building something for the future, not having to depend on someone else, supporting myself, supporting my family, and really just chasing a dream, chasing something that I really wanted to do, something that was different. So that's kind of what inspired me to start a food truck. I got fired from my job. It was just that simple. And I had to make a decision, and I had to make a choice of what I wanted to do with myself. And that's what I wanted to do, is to start a food truck.